Now, 0 hour submission. You are,
चेयरमैन सर, मैं बहुत संक्षेप में एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ कि यूपीएससी के विद्यार्थियों का जो डीओपीटी के मिनिस्टर हैं उन्होंने कहा कि विद इन 7 दिन में ना कल पूरा हो जाएगा, और होम मिनिस्टर ने बाहर बोल दिया फिर 5वें दिन पे कि ये 7 दिन इसमें और लगेंगे। प्रकाश जावड़ेकर जी स्टेट मिनिस्टर हैं पार्लियामेंट्री के। मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि लाखों बच्चे ये भारतीय भाषाओं के, एक भाषा के नहीं हैं। ये ज़बरदस्ती एक बात चलाई जाती है कि ये हिंदी वाले लोगों का नहीं, गलत है। हिंदी वाले बच्चों से ज़्यादा दूसरी भारतीय भाषाओं के बच्चे इसमें और कम हो रहे हैं, जितनी दूर तक कम हो रहे हैं कि 82% जो है वो अंग्रेजी भाषा, अंग्रेजी के खिलाफ नहीं हूँ, अंग्रेजी भाषा के विद्यार्थी आ गए। पहले आधे बच्चे आते थे, आज सिर्फ यानी 53 बॉयज आ रहे हैं।
नहीं, ये विषय आपने उठाया था।
हाँ उठाया था, लेकिन सरकार को ये बताना, लड़के जो है वो नहीं, आपने लड़कों को उठा लिया, यानी जो भूख हड़ताल पे बच्चे थे उनको इन लोगों ने उठा लिया, ठीक किया, लेकिन ये फैसला तो होना चाहिए। आपने जो ऑनलाइन ये जो सारे कार्ड बांट दिए हैं एडमिशन के, ये उठने के बाद, और क्यों इस मामले को ऐसा बिगाड़ रहे हो कि सारे देश में उठ गया ये मामला। इसलिए मेरी आपसे विनती है कि सरकार को इसको आज साफ करना चाहिए। तो लड़के मेरे यहाँ इतनी बड़ी संख्या में आ रहे हैं कि मैं खुद परेशान हूँ। मैं सोचता हूँ कि सरकार को आज इसको क्लियर करने में क्या दिक्कत है कि कब तक आप कर देंगे, कल या परसों? ये कह रहा हूँ, ये कह रहा हूँ।
ओके ओके, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Yes, yes, yeah. Now, ठीक है. Yes, yes. So, now please. Yeah. No, I don't want to see.
सरकार इस पर रिएक्ट करेगी कि नहीं करेगी? ये बच्चे जो हैं वो सड़क पर क्यों डाले?
विजय गोयल, sit down. No discussion on this.
ये सब पढ़ने वाले बच्चे हैं।
सुनो, I am not allowing a discussion because already now.
नहीं, आपको सरकार के आगे बोलना चाहिए। 7 दिन तो कल होने वाले।
Okay. Now, but no discussion on this subject because already there was a discussion. Already government has made a statement on the floor of the house and clarification was made. Now the only question is, Mr. Sharad Yadav wants to know what action government take. That is all. Now all of you take your seat. I am not going to allow a discussion. Now, yes, Minister of Parliamentary Affairs. Others can say, no, sit down. Only Minister. You sit. All of you sit down. All of you resume your seat. Please take your seat, all of you. Honorable Minister of Parliamentary Affairs. Now, please, Minister, please.
डेप्यूटी स्पीकर सर, आपने जैसे कहा 1 घंटा पूरी चर्चा हुई, क्लैरिफिकेशंस हुए, डीओपीटी और बाद में होम मिनिस्टर दोनों ने कहा कि इस प्रश्न का समाधान होगा और जल्दी होगा।
ओके प्लीज
जल्दी होगा। 3 साल से ये प्रश्न लटका के रखा, लेकिन हम जल्दी निपटाएंगे और विद्यार्थियों के हित में
मिस्टर सीलम प्लीज,
छात्रों के
सीलम प्लीज,
निर्णय होगा और जल्दी होगा।
ओके, दैट इज ओके, दैट इज एन एश्योरेंस। राम गोपाल जी, दैट इज एन एश्योरेंस। या एश्योरेंस हो गया मंत्री साहब से, सो ठीक है, आप लोग बैठिए। मंत्री ने एश्योरेंस दिया है
निपटाने का, लेकिन 7 दिन कल पूरे हो रहे हैं। इसलिए हम ये जानना चाहते हैं कि क्या ये कल तक निपट जाएगा? 7 दिन कल पूरे हो जाएंगे और 7 दिन का एश्योरेंस दिया था यहाँ हाउस में।
ओके,
क्या कल तक ये निपट जाएगा? हम ये जानना चाह रहे हैं।
या प्लीज।
मैंने पहले कहा कि सरकार छात्रों की संवेदनाओं को समझते हुए और विभिन्न भाषाओं का जो मुद्दा उठा है, केवल हिंदी का नहीं, सभी प्रादेशिक भाषा, मराठी से लेकर सब भाषाओं का है, तो इसलिए इस पर सरकार बेहद गंभीरता से और जल्दी कार्रवाई कर रही है और तुरंत जैसे निर्णय होगा सभागृह में सूचित किया जाएगा।
That is okay. That is okay. Matters to be raised. Now, 0-hour submission. Ananda Bhaskar Rapolu. No, that's okay. That is okay. That is okay. You cannot ask the government to say more than that.
उपसभापति महोदय,
No. That is enough.
this is very
Immediately.
serious humanitarian issue prevalent in the tribal agency of Warangal district of Telangana,
He has given assurance.
jeopardizing
has
the
given
lives of
assurance.
10,000 families
He has given assurance. Now,
and
please.
their
Now,
future.
Please.
Way back in
No,
1977,
you cannot ask the government to do more. No, please take your seat. Yes. No, please. Abate, please. Yes. See. No, please. Take your seat. Please take your seat. Yes. This is. Please, Atwalaji, please. Abate. See. Yes. Please, Atwalaji, Bati. Bati, Atwalaji. Bati. See, this is a serious matter. Please, this is a serious matter. And as Saraj Yadavji has said, it is not just the question of Hindi-speaking students. It is all regional language people maybe. There is some point in that. And we had a 1 hour discussion on this. At that time, government had assured that they will take action. They will come back to the house with their decision. Yes. Now, please. Now, yes, it is. I know. It's 1 week. I know that. But the discussion was on Friday. Now, please. The last discussion was on Friday. This is now only Wednesday. Now, Honorable Parliamentary Affairs Minister has given an assurance that Turand means immediate. Jaldi. That means ask. Now, please. I am not allowing. I have not allowed anybody. No, please. I have not allowed anybody. Let me complete. मेरे को खत्म करने बोलो. Let me complete. Please. Let me complete. यादव जी आप बहुत disciplined member है, आप बैठिए. Let me complete. Now the point is, government has given an assurance that the problem will be solved as quickly as possible. This is an assurance. I hope the government will take immediate steps and come back to the house. That is enough. Next, Ananda Bhaskar Rapolu. Ananda Bhaskar Rapolu.
yes sir, माननीय उपसभापति महोदय,
What more you want? Time frame?
This
No.
is a
I cannot
very
ask the government. No.
important, serious humanitarian
I cannot
issue
ask the government to give time frame.
which is prevalent
It is up to the
in
government.
tribal
I cannot do
agency
that.
of Warangal
Sit down.
district of Telangana.
You cannot
This
ask
is
time frame like that.
jeopardizing the lives of
I cannot also ask.
15,000 employees and their
I cannot.
families. And through this house, I
Yes.
request the
Yes.
attention of the
Sit down.
union government, in
Anand
particular
Sharma,
the Union
आप लोग बैठिए.
Industries Ministry.
Your deputy leader. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Sir, in the morning,
Ah,
I and my colleagues had raised an issue,
yeah. Now, please.
and that matter is a serious matter. This is
I
about-
allowed it.
This is about
Okay.
the government allowing tapping of telephones in a massive scale in
No,
Delhi.
that I am not.
No, that we have raised in this
No,
house.
no.
We have raised in this house.
No, let me. Now
and we
let me
want
go
a
to the.
comprehensive inquiry.
No,
a
there is a
probe,
procedure.
a probe to unearth the details.
No, there
List
is a
of the
procedure.
names.
That is
It's
here
not
already
only the
in the.
government people, large number
That
of
is
people.
already here.
It's a question of privacy.
That is
We
already.
have given the 0-hour notice also. No, sir.
Don't raise
This
like
is
that.
not an issue
You
we are
can't
going to
raise like
overlook.
that.
This
You
is a
see,
serious matter.
This is
sorry.
already in the 0 hour.
This house has discussed, even if there was an issue pertaining to the telephone call records of the then leader of opposition. Here we are talking of bugging.
You give proper notice for that.
No, no, we don't know. We don't know the list. Who has authorized? It's not only the ministers. It is other institutions.
See,
So this house has to discuss.
there is already, Mr. Anand Sharma, there is already, Mr. Anand Sharma, there is already notice 0 hour by Sri Sukandar Roy. You can give another notice. I have to proceed with 0 hour.
Our demand is for a thorough probe to unearth the truth. And we have given the notice. It has to be discussed and inquiry has to take place.
All right.
We are not willing to accept
Yeah, we will consider.
that this issue will be
If
glossed
there is
over.
a notice, that
We
will be
have.
looked into.
We have given the notice.
If there is a notice,
We all are together
that
on
will be
this.
examined. If there is a notice, that will be looked into.
This
Now, 0
government
hour,
has an
Anand
obsession.
Bhaskar Rapalu, all of this.
उपसभापति महोदय, ये तो बहुत हृदय विदारक मुद्दा है। आदिवासियों का मुद्दा है। तेलंगाना में बने सोच आदिवासियों का मुद्दा है।
Thinking, I am not able to
इसका
understand.
ध्यान आकर्षित करने के लिए ये मौका
let
मैं
me take
इस्तेमाल
0
कर रहा हूँ।
hour. Is it there?
सभापति महोदय,
Your subject is 0 hour.
my time
Now
is
see,
on.
all of you have, I have 10 notice of 0 hour. Yes, 0 hour
I am
with
on-
me. Yes, I will call. Let me allow, you please allow me to call 0 hour. The subject raised by Sri Ananda Sharma is already included in the 0 hour by Sugendra Sekhar Roy. And Ananda Sharma, if you have given another notice, that notice will be examined. Now, आप लोग बैठिए. Sri An, what do you want? अरे तो नोटिस दे दो, देखेंगे. No, notice. No, I said if there is a
And
notice,
inquiry.
that notice will be examined.
So we are very clear about
Yes,
this.
we will look into that.
We are very
We will
clear.
look into that, yes.
We are not
Now you cannot
satisfied
raise
with
it.
what has been
Ananda
said.
Bhaskar Rapalu. I have given the floor to Sri Ananda Bhaskar Rapalu. 0 hour.
उपसभापति महोदय, साथियों, थोड़ा मदद दीजिए। ये तो बहुत हृदय विदारक मुद्दा है। आदिवासियों का मुद्दा है। तेलंगाना में बहुत भयंकर मुद्दा बने हुए
Yes,
हैं।
Mr. Ananda Bhaskar Rapalu having the floor.
Yes.
Only that will go on record.
उपसभापति महोदय, there is industrial unrest in the tribal agency of Warangal of Telangana. This is jeopardizing the lives of more than 15,000 employees and their families since 2014 April.
Your notice will be considered, I told you.
Wonderful industrial
Your notice will be examined.
way back
I
in
told you.
1977 when there were no roads to that place. Now time has come. There was an extraordinary 3-kilometer long bridge across the Godavari and 202 National Highway linking the tribal agency of Warangal of Telangana. But with the enlarged infrastructure, it is supposed to have since this is a tribal issue, I am trying to make out anyway. Since
Allow Sri Rapalu to make his point. That is my request.
Now we want this to be discussed.
honored sir, there was AP Rayan that was working since 1977.
House is
Now it
adjourned
became
for 10 minutes.
standstill.
Adjourned for 10 minutes.
मान्य सभासदों, मान्य उपसभापति जी,
No, please, let me. No. Let me make, please. आप लोग बैठिए. Mr. Tiwari बैठिए, please. I will explain that. Please. Allow me, Ayut. Yeah. No, I will come to that. I will come to that. See. Okay, point of. Don't do that. Sit down. Sit down. You sit down. Don't do like that. The other day also you misbehaved.
रामगोपाल यादव जी सदन के माननीय सदस्य हैं और वरिष्ठ सदस्य हैं। जया बच्चन जी दूसरी माननीय सदस्य हैं। कैंटीन का खाना खाने के बाद 4 दिन जो है हॉस्पिटल में रह के आए श्री रामगोपाल यादव जी, और उसी खाने को खा करके बहन जया बच्चन जी की तबीयत खराब है। क्या पार्लियामेंट के सदस्यों को जानबूझ करके ऐसा खाना दिया जा रहा है ताकि इनके खिलाफ बजट सेशन में उनकी जुबान शांत की जा सके?
Okay.
रामगोपाल जी जैसे
Yeah. Yes.
रामगोपाल जी जैसे वरिष्ठ सदस्य अगर संसद में
Parliamentary-
हिस्सेदारी नहीं करेंगे।
Okay, then parliamentary affairs may kindly look into that. Yeah, please.
जया जी आप
No, yeah, please.
सर
Yeah. बैठिए बोलिए प्लीज प्लीज।
कुछ लोगों को स्वप्न में भी गुजरात दिख रहे हैं, हम क्या करें सर? डिप्टी चेयरमैन साहब, आई हैव
बोलिए प्लीज सिट डाउन।
Sir, I have taken note of what Sri Tyagi ji has said. I will call the canteen people, find out what has happened and ask them to improve it also.
Okay.
मुझे मालूम नहीं उन्होंने लेटर वेन में कहा, तो गंभीरता से कहा, मगर सदन में इस विषय के बारे में ज़्यादा चर्चा करना भी उचित नहीं है। फिर भाई उनका जो स्पिरिट है उसको स्वीकार करके मैं आगे क्या करना तय करूँ।
Thank you. No, I heard you. I am coming to that. Yes. Now listen, Mr. Tiwari, I am coming to you. See, now please let me make it clear. इसी बारे में रिप्लाई हो गया? Okay.
मंत्री जी जो कह रहे हैं बिल्कुल सही बात है, चर्चा नहीं करनी चाहिए, मगर बीच में काफ़ी देर तक पार्लियामेंट रात को चलता रहा तो लोगों ने चीज़ें खाई जिसकी वजह से बहुत तकलीफ रही। ये वी आर नॉट मेकिंग अ बिग इशू अबाउट इट, बट आई थिंक दैट दिस इज़ नॉट ओनली टुडे बट इट्स बीन हैपनिंग फॉर द लास्ट 4-5 years. So since you are here, please.
Yes, Minister already assured.
I will take a serious note of it.
Take your
They
note
are
of it.
serving a stale
Take
food,
a-
sir.
Government will take action.
Yeah, the food is stale. The food is stale. बासी खाना दिया जा रहा है।
Okay.
इसकी वजह से 6 बजे सुबह खाना आ जाता जो रात तक खिलाया जाता। किचन अगर वापस यहाँ ला दिया जाए तो सारा झंझट खत्म हो जाए, सारी गड़बड़ी। मैं फूड कमेटी का मेंबर था, मेरी रिकमेंडेशन है उसमें।
Okay. Anyhow, government has assured that it will look into it and it will take action. Yes, Mr. The position is this. Morning, this issue of bugging was raised. For you, I would request you, yes, all of you kindly listen to me. See, there were notices. That is correct. Mr. Tiwari has given notice. There were other notices also. Mr. Rajiv Shukla has given notice. Those are for suspension of question hour. For suspension of, now please, yes, and also, yes, also for 0 hour. Let me first deal with suspension of question. The suspension of question hour notices were discussed and they were disallowed. They were not allowed. And actually, question hour is over, and whether question hour was there or not, it has become infructuous. Now, if you speak about the question of suspension of question hour, it is infructuous. Question hour is over. So let me say, I cannot, so therefore that is a closed chapter. But Mr. Tiwari had given notice, I agree. Then, other remaining notices, Rajiv Shukla's notice, and also Mr. Sukandar Roy's notice on bugging, on 0 hour. Mr. Rajiv Shukla has given 2 notices, therefore one was accepted. Mr. Sukandar Roy's notice on bugging is already accepted, it will be there. That's it. Then, in addition to this, if 0 hour, after 0 hour, if any member wants to give a notice on the same subject to be taken up in some other way, it is up to them to give a notice. The chairman will look into it and consider. So now let us close this chapter. No, that's all. Why discussion?
मेरा सर इस मामले में बड़ा विनम्र निवेदन सुन लिया जाए। आपने ठीक कहा, हमने सस्पेंशन ऑफ क्वेश्चन आवर के हमारे मेंबर्स ने नोटिस दिए थे। अगर सस्पेंशन ऑफ क्वेश्चन आवर का नोटिस आप एक्सेप्ट कर लेते, वैसे भी क्वेश्चन आवर तो हो नहीं पाया, चर्चा हो नहीं पाई, अभी तक हाउस डिस्टर्ब्ड है। अगर इतनी देर में हम अगर इस मुद्दे पर चर्चा कर लेते, बहस कर लेते, सभी पक्षों को सुन लेते, तो ये समस्या का समाधान संभवतः निकल पाता, लेकिन हमने वक्त तो जाया किया, लेकिन चर्चा करना मंजूर नहीं किया। हमारी इसी बात पर आपत्ति है श्रीमान कि इस मुद्दे पर सरकार भाग क्यों रही है, चर्चा क्यों नहीं करना चाहती है।
Okay, now,
और
yes.
अगर नहीं चर्चा करना चाहती है तो उसका मतलब है कि दाल में काला नहीं, पूरी दाल नहीं काली है, पूरी की पूरी दाल काली है।
I
बहुत
said,
सारे ऐसे मामले
No.
हैं जो बहस के
I
दौरान
said-
निकल करके
I
आएंगे।
said-
उन तथ्यों को
See,
दिमाग में रखते हुए
there
मैं
are-
चाहता हूँ
Deputy
कि
Chairman,
आप
No,
कृपा करके
see,
the
there
chair
are,
has given a ruling.
see, there are,
So Deputy Chairman,
छोटा
after the
सा
chair
मुद्दा
has given
था।
a ruling, again there will be
yeah,
debate
yeah,
on
that,
this issue.
see, there are, no, please.
Yes.
No, let me say. No, please. Let me say that I told you.
श्रीमान
तिवारी
आपको-
जी,
श्रीमान
there are-
आपको- श्रीमान आपको याद होगा लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन, उस तत्कालीन लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन के कॉल
No, please.
रिकॉर्ड्स को लेकर के एक हफ्ते तक ये
Now,
सदन
please.
चल नहीं पाया।
I told you.
वो मामला इतना important
No,
था।
please.
और
Sit down.
यहाँ
I have already, no
मंत्रियों के
discussion.
टेलीफोन
I have already
पर
told you.
उनके
Tiwari,
घर
you can
पर
give another notice.
listening devices
See-
लगाए जा रहे हैं, उस पर चर्चा
See,
नहीं
honorable
होगी।
members,
तो ये गलत बात
see,
होगी।
in the rule book, see, in the rule, see, in the rule book, there are enough provisions by which you can send, if you want, see, give another notice, the chairman will look into it. What more you want? You give another note, yes, another notice, chairman will look into it, please. No. Now I am going to zero over. Now, Sri Ananda Bhaskar Rapallu, you made your point. What point of order? I'll have to adjourn if you. क्या point of order?
बहुत सिंपल सर, बहुत सिंपल।
What is that?
इट्स वेरी सिंपल। मैंने नोटिस दिए,
हाँ,
प्रश्नकाल स्थगित करके उस पर चर्चा करा ली जाए। कृपा पूर्वक आपने उस पर विचार किया और उस पर विचार करने के बाद इस निर्णय पे पहुंचे कि इसे प्रश्नकाल तक ही सीमित रखा जाए। मेरा कहना है कि प्रश्नकाल स्थगित हो चुका, नहीं हुआ तो प्रश्नकाल स्थगित होने के बाद विषय तो स्थगित हुआ नहीं, वो महत्वपूर्ण है, उसका महत्व है। सवाल सीधा सही है, मैं व्यवस्था आपकी जो चाहता हूं सुन लीजिए। या तो आप ये रूलिंग दें, आप ये रूलिंग दे दें, आप कह दें मैं बैठ जाऊंगा कि आखिरकार इस सरकार को इतना डर क्यों है और
अरे-
कौन जवाब देगा?
You
कौन
give a
जवाब
notice.
देगा? क्या जवाब देगा?
You give a notice.
Deputy Chairman,
You give another notice.
Deputy Chairman.
No, that is over. Sri Mahendra Singh Mehra, you give another notice. Sit down.
जी, सरकार कोई डरने का सवाल नहीं है।
Yeah.
कोई विषय है ही
Listen to
नहीं।
that. Yes.
कोई विषय
No, listen to the minister. Yes. Sit down. Minister is reacting.
सर,
You
Deputy
listen to the
Chairman,
minister.
Deputy Chairman,
Please listen.
कोई
Yes.
विषय है
Listen
ही
to the
नहीं।
minister. आप लोग
no
सुनिए,
issue.
मंत्री की बात सुनिए. Listen to the minister. Listen to the minister. Minister speaking.
They are
Sit down.
frustrated, I think.
You listen.
Otherwise, there is no reason.
Please listen to the minister.
They are ready. Home Minister has given a statement. Home Minister has given a statement. Let us close this and then move ahead. Go to the next business, sir. That's my request. कोई डरने का सवाल नहीं है।
Why don't you listen to the
कोई
minister?
और होम मंत्री जी ने स्पष्ट रूप में यहाँ स्पष्टीकरण दे चुका है, सरकार ने स्टैंड बता चुका है, इसलिए मतलब नहीं है।
This is. No, without giving notice, you are disturbing the house. Without giving proper notice, you are disturbing the house. This is unfair. I will have to adjourn the house. Without giving proper notice, you are disturbing the house.
This house created the precedent. Just the telephone call records of the then leader of opposition became an issue. Here there is, government is engaging in authorized, unauthorized, tapping of phones. It's a serious matter.
I will have to adjourn the house. You are unnecessarily disturbing the house without giving notice.
Let there be a discussion. Let the committee
I am
to
Goldberg.
discuss.
House is adjourned up to 2
We
p.m.
have more to say.
2 p.m.